What was your favorite thing we did together with Wally and Molly?
Kiss them.
You like to kiss them? Yeah?
That's so sweet.
Yeah, they are so sweet. You love them, don't you? Tomorrow, Molly and Wally, you smelling them like you're a puppy? Tomorrow, Molly and Wally have to go home. So I need you to say bye-byes to them.
Bye.
Can you give them hugs? Bye-bye, Molly. Bye-bye, Wally. They're gonna go to Boston. And we're gonna go there too soon. Okay? Maybe we can see them again. Okay, big hugs. Big hugs. Bye-bye, Wally. Bye-bye, Molly.